Have a look at on the top of the roof. There are some fish swimming on the ceiling. So it's very pretty. It's a very nice hotel. Here is a lobby, and in the back of this lobby, there is a restaurant. Because we came here very late last night, the restaurant was closed. It closed usually at 11 p.m. If you come here anytime after that, you better buy your own food. So level 12 is the top floor of this hotel. Here is a garden and the pool. The pool is currently closed. Look at here. I guess there is a restaurant. And look at all the decorations. Love the tiles. Oh, the lift is here. Here is the hallway of this hotel. Everywhere is decorated by murals. This is the view that we can see from our window. I guess because we checked in late and all the things happening to us. So the lady in the front desk said they upgrade our room to this sea view room. The original room that we booked is a garden viewed room. It was like probably more expensive than the price that I paid, but we're only staying here for a few hours. As long as here is comfortable, I'm happy. Yeah, it meets our requirement. The bed is very neat and comfortable. Oh, by the way, we already stayed here for one night. This is what you say after one night of stay. So don't get it wrong. The room is very clean and very neat. You can see it's actually sort of spacious. I think because they put like mirrors everywhere. So here is a mirror, here is a mirror, like mirrors are everywhere. The room itself is, I can say it's small, but after you put the mirror as decorations, it like enlarged the space 3 times. It's actually pretty good. It's a very good strategy to renovate a hotel in this way. And in here we have a small desk. And in the desk, we don't have anything, just like a welcome letter or something. And then we have a phone. You can communicate with the hotel. And there is a kettle. And this is what the PowerPoint look like in Hong Kong. So don't forget to bring an adapter when you come to Hong Kong to travel. But the handy thing is there is a USB port. So you can just plug your USB into this dock and charge your phone from here.
And see on the other side?
On the other side, there is a USB-C port as well. So it doesn't matter if you don't have an adapter. This one got you all covered. Let's move to the other side. Oh, here is a little bin, by the way. You can put some of your rubbish in here. I guess in Hong Kong, they have like a plastic reduction program or something. So they are trying to use as less plastic as possible. And here we have a closet. And in the closet, you have a safe box, some coffee, some mugs. And here is a laundry bag for you to do some laundry. Here is a price list. You know, it's a hotel, so it won't be very cheap. So just have a look. If you need to do any laundry, there is a price list. Here is a mini bar. We did not even got the time to open it. I guess it's just a simple fridge, not even a mini bar. But it's very handy if you bought some food and need to stay in here for a few days. A few days. Okay, and here we have Daniel's favorite part, which is air conditioner panel. So you can control the temperature of the room through here. And here we have some lights you can put. This one is do not disturb, and the other one is please clean up. So I guess this is something for the cleaner to read. And here we have the light switch, very handy. Okay, now we're in the bathroom and toilet area. So we have a toilet, we have a basin and some other stuff. So in this hotel, they do give you toothbrush and kind of tooth cleaning tablet that you can use to clean your teeth. This is a tablet. This is the first time I'm ever using a tablet to brush my teeth. And this is the toothbrush, they give it to us. This one is extremely hard. So I do recommend you to bring your own toothbrush. Maybe don't use this one because it will scratch your tooth gum very hardly. But this one seems to be very useful. It makes your teeth like super clean and it's very easy to use. So good choice. Last but not the least, let's have a look at the shower. So here is the shower. It looks very small, but actually it's not that small. Daniel is a 2-meter tall man, and he still feels like here is very spacious. It's not very small. The shower head is not very low. It's in a very good height, and actually it's not very humid. I guess the fan works really well and sucked all the moist and steam out of the building. We are very happy about that. And here is a TV. You can watch some TV programs. And here we got some curtains. You can close the curtains and everything. This curtain, Daniel said, don't need to measure the curtain. But the curtains are important for a hotel. These curtains are very thick and I cannot feel any light when I woke up. So great choice about the curtains. Okay. So that's all for this hotel room tour. Please subscribe and like my video. I'll see you in the next video.